Well, here we are, Saturday morning, April 2nd, out on the Napa River, striper fishing, and just about sunrise, a little bit after sunrise. And no boat today. Thought I'd come out and cast some lures and see what we could get. I've only been out here about 15 or 20 minutes and haven't got anything so far. But beautiful, beautiful morning. Well, the first fish of the day. Let's see if I can hold this camera well enough. Like a nice little striper. I don't know if he's a keeper, but he's a good one. Well, out at the Napa River, and I'm just about ready to head in. I stayed out for about 2 hours and got one nice fish. And it's real nice out here, but the tide is really going fast out, and the water turned kind of muddy. And so when it's muddy, the striper fishing probably not so good. But anyway, here's my little transportation that got me out here, and backpack and a little tackle box. So we had a good morning.